Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very nice problem in which we have to find the real value of x, and we are given x raised to power 8 minus 1 to 1 equals to 0. This can be written as x raised to power 4 whole square minus 11 square equals to 0. And as we know from algebra formula, which says if a square minus b square, this can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So using this formula, we can rewrite the given equation as x raised to power 4 plus 11 times x raised to power 4 minus 11 equals to 0. This can be further simplified as x raised to power 4 plus 11 and x square raised to power 2 minus root 11 raised to power 2 equals to 0. Using the same above formula, we can rewrite this as x raised to power 4 plus 11 times x square plus root 11 times x square minus root 11 equals to 0. From here we get three equations: x raised to power 4 plus 11 equals to 0, x square plus root 11 equals to 0, and x square minus root 11 equals to 0. From the first equation, we get x raised to power 4 equals to minus 11, and from here we get imaginary values of x which we do not have to calculate it. So in this case, no real value of x is possible. And from the second equation, we have x square equals to minus root 11, and from here as well, no real value of x is possible. Now from the third equation, we have x square equals to root 11, and by taking square root on both sides, we get x square raised to power 1 by 2 equals to root 11 raised to power 1 by 2, and further solving this, we get x equals to 11 raised to power 1 by 2 bracket 1 by 2, so we get 11 raised to power 1 by 4. So from here we get one real value of x, which is x equals to 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.